plata. Cash, cash, cash. Get money, get money. It's bam, bam, bam. Hey, it's bam, bam. She wanna flick for the gram. Toda esa puta saben who I am. So she wanna check this beat on cam. Like, hold up. She wanna swallow this pull up. Soon as I bust, I'ma roll up. Phone lines are better, I pull up. Papi te paga los biles, nada más que quiero ese culo. Prefiere el sexo conmigo que yo te lo meto bien duro. I bought a Benz.
What's up, guys? How's it going? Good morning. Guardian Trades, Jerry, Andrew, what's up? Swish, Mike, Josh, Trader 007, Jerry is in the house. Stuart, we got another Jesse in chat. What's up, Raylan? John, what's going on? Vincent, good to have you guys on here this morning. No camera here for me. Freaking camera. Left it in the Keys house. Ordered a new camera. It's supposed to get here today. Thought it was supposed to get here a little bit earlier, but we don't have a camera today. We're back at the regular trade desk. Tomorrow I'm going to be on my funded TV with my camera. Don't worry. It should arrive today. If it doesn't, I'll just go buy some crazy little backup or something at Best Buy real quick. But, yep. You're not going to see my face today. Left the camera back at the Keys house, and boy, guys, I this morning. Can you the music before I go off on this? The music, is it all right? Is it too loud? Too low? Can you hear me all good? What's up? No, Bobby, I'm not in the Keys. I'm back at my regular trade desk, getting ready to head out on an 8-day cruise. Can't wait for that on Royal Caribbean. Tribe. Hey, Jerry, man. What can I tell you, brother? People want what they want. I got some bad news this morning for me, which sucked. I mean, it's first world problems, right? Freaking A, bro. I wanted to install a pool. I don't know what the proper terminology is. I say install. I wanted to install a pool in the Keys house. Had a contractor come out. We quoted everything out. Rough estimate, $60,000. I was like, bet, let's get her done, man. Started looking at pool options, showed him what I wanted, and we were gonna go ahead and start getting ready to the process. But we ain't that free up in here, guys. We ain't that free. The fucking government comes and sticks it to you. And how did they stick it to me? In the form of setbacks. Okay, the water line, the high water line, you got to be 10 feet away from that. Oh, you have to be 4 feet away from this column. Oh, you got to be 4 feet away from that line. Fuck you, bro. Now I can't fit the damn pool anywhere back there because the house is too far back. And then the side, on the side where I was like, okay, I'll put it on the side, you know, we'll do a nice little side piece going on thing here. We got about 18 feet. Deduct 4 feet on either side from property line and from the house, gives us 8 feet. You're like, okay, boom, you're gonna put an 8 foot pool, you know, an 8 foot wide pool. We'll do an 8 by 15, an 8 by 17, an 8 by 20. Bang, that's plenty for down there in the Keys, guys. That'd be amazing. I was super stoked with it. Nope, because you need a foot on either side with concrete that eats into that, right? Which is bullshit. Because the pool, I mean, why? It's freaking concrete. So now they're like, oh no, you can only you have 1 foot on each side, so that leaves you, what the fuck does that leave me, guys? 5 foot wide pool, 6 foot wide pool? No, bro, screw that shit. I'm about to sell the house and buy another one. I actually got one right here I'm looking at. We actually went to this open house on Saturday. They want $1.1 million. They want $1.1 million for it. And it's literally like 10 minutes, not even, less than 10 minutes from my house now. It's a bigger house, way bigger. Same square footage on the property, 6,000 square feet lot, but the house is double, if not a little bit more than double. 2,300 square feet. It's almost as big as my house here. Whatever, bro. Super pissed. I don't even know if I want to trade like this because I'm legitimately pissed. But we will be doing some giveaways. Sure, those will make me feel better. Bro, this guy is disgusting. The one singing. We got too many rules, bro. We got way too many rules. We got way too many rules up in this bitch, bro. Way too many. Oh, you need a permit for this. You need a permit for that. But you'd be surprised half the things that you need permit for that we don't freaking pull them. Because fuck that. I ain't gonna ask the government permission to paint my damn house, bro. Or don't even get me started. Jesse starting the day off bitching. This live stream, you can't even see my face. That makes me even more mad because you can't see the facial expressions. Doctor said I'm not supposed to stress. But how can I stress? How can I not stress when the government's constantly screwing you? Yo, D, what's up? Night Ninja, what's going on? This stream is us staring at charts and bitching about the government. I hope you guys are in for it. Because it ain't over. House I was looking at this weekend. Took the whole family there. We loved it. Really nice. I was actually thinking about doing a creative deal on it. Oh, Jesse, what's a creative deal? Some of you might know. Some of you might not know. Creative deal that I would do on this property, because of the simple fact that I want to put 40% down, right around 40% down anyways, would require me selling my other house there in the Keys or doing a cash out refinance. One or the other. The creative deal would come where I would offer them, I would tell the realtor, hey, look, I'll give you $950,000 for this house. Contingent, you sell my other house. That's 3 miles away. And then we close on both houses. That way I could utilize the funds from the sale of that house as my down payment on the new house. But bro, I don't know. I don't know what the hell I want to do now. That other place is badass. It's way bigger than my current Keys house. And then to top it off, woke up with a headache. I guess my body already knew the bullshit was coming. Oh, man. Oh. Buy low, sell high. Sell high, buy low. Someone asked me what my trading style is. Mario, what's up, my man? Jerry, bro, it pisses me off, bro. Like, why the fuck can I put a pool on my damn house, drop $60-something thousand on it, stimulate the local economy, pay taxes up the ass when I do so? Oh, because, okay, you need a setback 10 feet from the high water line. Fuck your high water line. How about that, bitch ass? Sorry, guys. No, I'm not sorry. Fuck the government. Oh my god, this is gonna get flagged. FBI on the way. Let me close my front gates so at least I have a heads up. The boat's good, man. The boat's good. Shit, man. I mean, really, when you think about it, bro, especially when it was like the first piece of the first email I saw this movie was from my contractor. I saw this morning. Oh my god, bro. I couldn't believe it. Immediately, my shoulders got crazy tense. I got insane knots in my shoulders lately. I've always had them, but lately they flared up huge. Been the cause of a lot of bull crap. Suckers pressing on all sorts of nerves back there. Got me thinking all sorts of things. And immediately reading that email this morning, I was just tensed up. The guy was like, so the contractor was like, hey, Jesse, I don't deal with these, but maybe you should look into above ground swim spas. I'm like, well, fuck, they're going to want a permit for that too. I mean, I do it without the permit, but... It's an above ground swim spa. What the hell do I want? I don't even know if I want that. Bobby, those standards are not construction standards. They're bullshit standards placed by the government in order to generate revenue by making you get a permit so then they can reevaluate your house and up your taxes and stick it to you harder. That's the reality. The government is never on your side. Andrew, that's what she said. Yo, what's up with the little crowns next to you guys? Next to your names. That's pretty cool. I like it. Guys, I think the more you chat, like, you get a crown and crap. Well, the crown, not the crap. That's pretty cool. Yap it up, guys. Guys, we're gonna be doing some giveaways here pretty soon. Yeah, Bobby. Thankfully, most of the neighbors around me are pretty cool. We're gonna be doing a trade day giveaway in the stream. We're going to be doing Apex giveaway, and we're going to be doing a Take Profit Trader giveaway, $150,000 evaluation of Take Profit Trader today. Jerry, what happened to your crown? Is there only like 3 places? Do you guys got to fight for first, second, and third? I like it. Nice, Mario. Enjoy the beach, bro. I'm just back here for a few days, and then I'm heading out on an 8-day cruise. Coming back and heading back to the Keys for the rest of the summer, because Lord knows I need some ocean time. Hey, trade day funding in the house. What's up? What's up? What's up? Oh, man. You probably... That's not a good day to be watching me. I've been ranting about the government not allowing me to place a pool on my other house in the Florida Keys. So sorry about that trade day funding, but you got to see the part of Jesse that complains about the government today. usually not the nicest Jesse though, when that's the case. Let the man build the pool, bro. You see, trade day funding understands. Like, the man wants to drop $65,000 on the pool. Just take the money, shut up, and let him put the damn pool in the ground. Thank you, trade day. See, I think trade day should run for mayor of the Florida Keys. Then I can get my pool. Hey, Mario, that's fine, bro. A few days, a week of that isn't going to negate a whole year of workouts, brother. Go enjoy it, man. Oh, trade day sending me some exclusive merch. Let's go. Can't wait for that to arrive. Guys, trade day 40% off right now. $0 activation fee. So you can get yourself an end of day account for $99. Coupon code all caps JESSEW. Guys, my new camera should be arriving today. I left my other camera in the Keys house, back over here. So that's why you're not seeing my face with my nice hat and all that good stuff. But tomorrow we'll be back on that other TV stream, not on my channel, and my funded TV. That's the one for tomorrow that I'll be on. Trade day, we gotta get a stream going. We gotta get a stream going. Trade day #1 right now. Damn right. Calmer if you like end of day accounts. You get payouts from day one. New video will drop more than likely on Friday. I was trying to get it dropped tomorrow, but the week got away from me. Trying to get ready before leaving on the cruise and dealing with a whole lot of things. Man, it's just, it crept up on me. I thought yesterday was Monday. Turns out yesterday was Tuesday. So kind of threw a wrench in my schedule. But the trade day video will be dropping this week, Friday. Mario, the market says the pullbacks are not in stock right now. You're going to have to wait because this sucker just keeps going up. Bobby, no, trade day is not straight to funded. You're going to have an evaluation, but it's end of day. I mean, they got trail, intraday trail, they got static, and they got end of day. You want a, what is this? Saha, you want a straight to funded? I got you, bro. Hold on. Give me 1 second. I'm going to get you 2 options right here, right now for straight to funded. Give me 1 second. Let me go grab it. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so here you go. Where are you? All right, so here's option 1. And here's option 2, brother. Guarani, yeah. The end of the day, a trade day is the way to go. $99, no activation fee, 50K account with end of day. No brainer. Mike, I don't even ask those questions, brother. You know, I just don't. I look at what it is and then I go with it. Remember, props need to make money. If they make everything super easy, then they don't make money, which what happens then? Then they go away and then we have no place to go for us to make money. I make money at Apex. I make money at Take Profit Trader. I make money at Top Step. You know, like it doesn't matter what the rules are. I'll go there and I'll make money. The only rules that I really don't like are the consistency rules, especially when they're too tight. Some of you guys absolutely love straight to funded accounts. You do, you love them. I don't really care much for them. Maybe one of these days I'm going to give it a shot. Why? Because most of them, if not all, have a 20% consistency rule on. Bro, 20%, bro? God, it feels like it's going to take forever to get to payout, to be honest. Could be wrong, but it just, that's for me. That's for me. Maybe it's a little bit of degen inside. I don't know. What is wrong with you? I don't want that guy's song anymore, bro.
Down on the banks of the old man river, heavy air calling rain.
Consistency, John, no consistency rule at trade day in the funded account. You have a consistency rule during your evaluation process, but not during your funded account. Okay. Gardini, I've been working now. Let me tell you how many days. Let me log into my Apex dashboard. PA. So I have 17 traded days on 5 Apex PAs. Each one has, well, the lowest balance one is $3,591. The largest balance one is $3,661. So I just want like another $500 on here so I can book $2,000 a piece on them. I could book $7,000 in total profit right now by pulling out, what is it, $1,400 a piece or something like that. But I want to book my $2,000 a piece, right? Hopefully those are not the famous last words. I just need $500 more, and then I'll book myself $10,000, which I was actually going to set to the side for the damn pool project. Full circle right back to the pool. God, now Jesse's going to start bitching again. Guys, NQ approaching 1 hour resistance zone. Right up here in front of 23.1. So we're fast approaching a 1 hour resistance zone. Yeah, John, I got you. Remember, coupon code all caps JESSEW and get yourself that 40% off and $0 activation fee at trade day. Or I'll put a link in chat for you guys. What do we got here? No entry. I don't chase. This long is severely extended. I'm not looking to chase it. Could I scalp a short off of this 23,100? Yeah, probably. And I probably would have had I not been bitching about my pool not being able to get done in the keys. I told you this morning, I'm not sure I'm going to trade because my headspace right now is a little bit emotional because I'm kind of pissed. We got some new chatters in here getting some crowns. Look at that. John Vargas killing it today. Yeah, Bobby, this is going to be an all-day thing for me, my brother. Imagine saying, hey, I want to build a pool on my property on the water. and you call the contractor out and he comes and he's like, we can't fit it here, but maybe we can fit it over there. And then he goes and does his due diligence and sends you an email today in the morning, first email you see this morning, and tells you the government said, fuck you, you can't do your pool. Bro, super disappointing. Got me looking at other houses now. How long did what take me, Comer? Hey guys, any of you wear contact lenses? I started yesterday. I went to the eye doctor and I have contacts on now. Does your vision ever get like slightly blurry for a second? Sporadically with them? Like as you get used to them or something? I've never worn them before until now. Hi Jesse, what did you do for a living before getting into trading? What did I do? Okay, so I've been self-employed for probably 20 years now. No, not 20. Probably like 18 or 19, something like that, man. Somewhere in that neighborhood. I was a sales rep for a telemedicine clinic that did weight loss and hormone therapy, like testosterone, HGH, stuff like that. But as a self-employed person, meaning I had no salary, I had no draw. I had to go out every day and kill my fish and eat it. So I built a business out of that. I built a book of business. No resources. At some points, yeah, they did provide some leads. The owner of the company was a good friend of mine. So I was 100% commission based. Then fast forward a few years later, and I made a deal. Basically, I had my own, let's call it a consulting company, where I would manage clinics for doctors like this, right? I was not the owner of the clinic itself, but I managed day-to-day operations, basically like a COO. Again, this was not salary-based, 100% commission-based. So business does good, I do good. And when was it, Jesse? Maybe a couple of years ago, I started to rely more on my trading. And right now, I have a side little deal with a clinic. Well, not me, my wife does. And does some sales there to manage some of our old patients, let's say. And I own a very small telemedicine clinic, core telehealth group. But I just have that there as like a little backup, I guess you could say. I make in one day between trading and my social media more than I probably make the entire month out of that clinic. So it's just there as like a little fail safe, I guess. But yeah, there you go. All right, let me see what else we got here. Yeah, maybe so. Only if you use their code, Fernando. You could use the firm's code. That's fine. But, you know, if you want to support the channel, be nice if you use my code. Mario, too lazy to go after the crown. Mike, yes, you are seeing my screen. You're literally seeing my screen. Or I said Mike? Yeah, Mike. Mike, yeah. You know it, traders then. Do you know anything about MFF 25K is coming? Nope. Haven't heard a damn thing about that. Jarius, yeah, your eyes have to adjust and make sure you have your solution handy. What, am I supposed to spray solution in my eyes? Bro, they didn't tell me that. Is it the same solution I put in the little case where the contacts go? Am I supposed to squirt that crap in my eyes too? Oh my god, how often? That's it. This thing's... I'm doing the freaking laser eye surgery later this year. My eyes aren't even that bad. They're minus 50 on each side. But... well, minus 0.50. Minus 0.50. My bad. Decimals are important. So are commas. Minus 0.50 on each side. But But I found myself straining a lot because, oh, Jesse, how long were you supposed to be wearing I've been supposed to have been wearing my glasses for like 10 years now. Ask me if I ever wore them. Nope. Didn't realize how much my eyes were straining. Bobby, it happened to me with a patio cover over my barbecue. Too big, not enough space. Oh, hell no. No, I wouldn't have even looked for that permit. I would have just built the freaking cover. What was it? How big was it? Unless it's gargantuanly huge. A little 8x10 or 12x12, I would have just built that sucker. John Vargas says, do you have a college degree in anything? No, but I got a degree in bullshit. No, bro. I did go to college, but nope, not for me. See, the thing is that to me, unless you're going to go to college to become a lawyer, a doctor, you know, freaking, I don't know, bro, a dietitian, you know, unless you're going to go do something like that, you know, college is a scam. Business administration, you don't need to go to college. Oh, I want to go to college, but I want to start my own business. Just start your own business. You don't need to go to college to start your own business. You don't need to go to college to become a manager of an office, a warehouse. Get yourself a job, learn as you go, and work your way up the ranks. It's going to be cheaper and faster. But no, brother, no college degree. Here, let me give you how this is going to tell you exactly who Jesse was. So Jesse, when he was 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, let's say, he had a shitty little part-time job as he was trying to figure out what to do in life. And 10 a.m. news must have dropped because those candles kind of knee-jerked to the upside there. So I used to go to my stupid part-time job, come back home, calculate my monthly expenses, and then say to myself, all right, what can I buy so I can sell on eBay that will make me my monthly expenses and profit so I can quit that stupid job and then try to scale that. Okay. When I was in elementary school, I used to make these little bugs, like little toy bugs. This thing, it was like an easy bake oven that girls had, but it was for boys. It was called Creepy Crawlies. And you would put the little solutions into a mold and make these little rubber bugs. And I'd make a bunch of them, right? Like a bunch of them. And then I would put them in a little box and I would take them with me in the bus on the way to school. And I would sell them on the bus for 25 cents each. Your boy right here has always wanted to figure out how to make money on his terms. When I was a kid, you know, my dad always said, hey, you either got to work hard or you got to study to get a good job, you know, become a professional, a doctor, a lawyer, which you're going to work hard, but you're going to make a lot of money. So I tried to go that route. I wanted to be a lawyer, actually. When I was in high school, I had a couple of law classes that were like an elective. If you wanted to be a lawyer in the future, if you wanted to go to law school, I actually toured, God, what's St. Thomas University down here in Florida, and got to see their mock courtroom, which was pretty cool. But I quickly realized that continuing school wasn't for me. I graduated high school in 2002, did a little bit of college, and I was like, this isn't for me. Why? Because, excuse me, because you graduate high school, you know what you want to become. They don't just stick you in classes or in courses and curriculums that'll teach you to become what you want to become. No, now you got to go do bullshit classes that include electives so they can steal your money as you progress through that until you get to study what you actually want to become. So I was in school at that point to be a dietitian, a nutritionist, and I was forced to pick an elective in art. Come on, bro. I was forced to take some other bullcrap classes that had nothing to do with being a dietitian. So that's when I realized this is not for me. Bobby. The same solution. Okay, so you have the same solution in your case and only a couple drops. Okay. Do you just do that sporadically at any point in time, Jarius, throughout the day, or you wait until your eyes feel a little dry, or Damn it, bro. They didn't give me a crash course on this, bro. Ralin. You couldn't stop blinking. MCZ, what's up, my man? Oh, Bobby, that's right. I forgot you're over there, so it's even worse. My man, Guardian Trade says, creepy crawlies. If you know, you know. And you know that we know. Exactly. Exactly. There you go, Granny. In Paraguay, you want to be a doctor, a lawyer, a dentist, you go straight to that school. Not like here in the US, bro. Exactly, bro. Like if you graduated high school, you already got all your basics. You don't need to redo the basics. Like there should be no reason that I have to do geometry or some other bullcrap like that in college if I want to be a lawyer. Yeah, Comer, you need straight to funded college, like where you just go straight into your career path. That's it. If you feel dry, okay, Jarius, roger that, brother. Thank you very much. Guys, SPY gearing up a bit of a 9 EMA VWAP crossover here, but I don't know that this is going to happen. See, you would want to see that 9 EMA do that, and then that. That's what will give you the go-ahead, but I don't know. I'm not sure this is going to hold. We briefly got over 3,100. We might see bulls get screwed. It's possible. Intro. So this is the pullback that needs to hold for the bulls to continue in control. Otherwise, you might see a drop. It might get choppy going into the Fed minutes later on today. Stuff like that. All right, so 10:05 a.m. Guys, do me a favor, smash that like button. It really helps out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm. I think it's time for the first giveaway. And the very first giveaway is going to be an Apex account. You can utilize this code I'm going to put in chat for any Apex account, period. Doesn't matter if it's the 25K or the 300K. Just use it. The first person to use it is going to get the damn account. It's supposed to be just for one. Oftentimes we see 2 or 3 people in chat be able to utilize it. You got to be fast, so make sure you're logged into your Apex account. So I'm going to give you a few seconds to log into your Apex account and be ready to utilize this code. Body, I was studying electrical engineer, all kinds of calculus, math, pick up a job with a firm and be in design for 15 years. Never use calculus to design electrical stations. MCZ, no trades for me thus far. All right, here's the code, guys. Go use it at Apex. Hurry up. First giveaway completed. Oh my God, Jarius as well. You see what I'm saying, bro? The word of the day is pool. No, Bernard. Sorry to hear that, brother. That's a rough one. Yeah, that's a rough one, man. Oh, Jarius got one. There you go. We're starting to see that support fail a little bit, guys. Damn it, I forgot I had some TPT evals I should have been working on. Whoopsie. Let me go log into that. Or maybe I shouldn't. What's Tesla doing? I'm in some Tesla put swing trade. Month out expiration. The 285 puts. Oh, I think it's August 11th expiration. Picked them up yesterday right before the big dump it had. Whoops, I actually forgot to post on Twitter that we're live. Nice, Traders Den got one too. There you go, congrats. Mike got a 50K, let's go. Anthon? Bro, I don't know how to pronounce your name, brother. But congrats, it seems like you got one too. Mario got one. Damn, guys. See, when you're all fast, it seems like you can get a few. Yeah, Fernando, the code for Apex is for any account. T Cooper, brother. I hate Monroe County, bro. Monroe County is bullcrap. Yeah, we slammed the Mangrove Snappers Thursday night. But bro, I hate Monroe County so much. I mean, I've always disliked them, but I downright hate Monroe County now. Trying to get a pool installed, brother, and ain't gonna happen. Bullshit setbacks from the high water line and this and that. Can't fit the pool where I want. Oh, listen to this song. Bobby got 150K. Let's go. Sorry to hear that, Yasin. Tushar, you can't see my screen? You can't see my chart? Everything seems to be streaming fine here. What a nice little bow flag so far. But I don't know, man. I don't think that this pops. I could be wrong. Did you miss what, Andrew? Bro, I have no idea who made that song, but it's stupid yet catchy. Oh, looks like it's gonna pop. Spy trying. SPY holding so far, man. Hey, who was it that guy that said VWAP was fake? Forgot about that guy. I wonder where he's at. If this breaks down, then, you know, maybe we see a little bit of downside before we just chop around until FOMC minutes come out. Bro, let me check Amazon. Where's my camera at, bro? Let me see something here. What do we got? What do we got? Yo, guys, this is a good one here. All right. I just opened this up. I was going to look at Amazon, but I actually opened up my Bible app. Mark 11:24 ESV. Therefore, I tell you, whatever you ask in prayer, believe that you have received it and it will be yours. For those of you that believe. That is today's Bible verse of the day. Now, back to Amazon. An item I bought has been recalled. Great. What are we talking about here? Well, my camera says arriving today, so that'll be here today. What did I buy that's been recalled? And how do I find out? Oh, great. They recalled. This has been 8. We ate this a long time ago and threw away the rest that we didn't like. Product safety alert, July 9th, 2025. Stop using the following item because of potential safety issues. Ritz peanut butter sandwich crackers. That's outstanding. So what's this about? Voluntary recall. Yeah, today's all sorts of good news going on today. Oh my God, are you serious? Reason for announcement. You guys heard what it was, right? Ritz peanut butter sandwich crackers, right? So it's a little cracker with peanut butter on it. Okay. Reason for announcement. Undeclared allergen. What's the allergen, Jesse? Peanut. It's fucking peanut butter. Of course it has peanut. Why would you have to write on it that there's peanut? It's in the name. I don't even want this world anymore. It's about the label, bro. Bro, it says peanut butter cracker, bro. This isn't even real anymore, bro. We live in a fever dream where you can't put a pool on your property because the government doesn't let you, and where you don't realize that you need to write that there's peanuts in peanut butter. Bro, I can't even anymore, John. Like, I don't even understand how these things are possible. I really thought there was something, you know, like, oh, maybe there was some contamination in the peanut butter or in the cracker itself. I was like, well, we ate it a long time ago. Thank God nothing happened. But it's because the verbiage on the package doesn't say the allergen of peanut, but it's peanut butter. Oh, man. Oh boy. Market just trading sideways right now, guys. Oh, somebody just asked me if Bulanox has a special going on. Yes, 91% off, option 1. Code Jesse W. All right, so let me grab that real quick for you guys in case you're interested in Bulanox. There you go, in case you want super, super cheap eval. Yo, Sahab. Yeah, man. I mean, I don't have any free Tradeify ones right now to do a giveaway on that, but we do have 2 more giveaways. 150K Take Profit Trader evaluation giveaway and a Tradeify end of day account giveaway as well. I believe it's 50K. So we still got 2 more giveaways to do today. Ah, damn, Cooper. Yeah, man, I'm all the way down there in Ramrod. Damn, bro, this market is really doing nothing. Who took the volume away? Look at this SPY. This looks like it's begging to crack because it's just sitting there. It needs to get off. If the bulls are going to take control, this needs to do this rather quickly because if we just continue sitting on this support, it's going to crack. Starting to crack right now. Yeah, Fernando, I said we have 1 more trade day giveaway and 1 take profit trader giveaway left on the stream. Oh man. Spy just sitting there, guys. She's looking tired. Let's go take a look at what Bookmap has to say about all this. Looks like it might get down here and test this 65 level. Unless we crack over 80 and push the highs. Yeah, Yassine. End of day. Yes, eval for the TPT. Yes, the answer to both of your questions are yes. I'm gonna give it a shot here. Real small, quick trade against this 80 level. Not looking for a ton. Just looking for a scalp. All right, gonna take it right there. That's all I needed. We talked about that. I used the book map for it. We talked about that 65 level getting tested. We got right into it and I took it. We could go a little bit lower there, but there we go. Maybe should have held on a little bit longer, should have added, but I'll take it. 221 bucks times 5 accounts. And now we only need like $300 more to get my $10,000 payout. So might get, oh fuck. We might get it today or we might get it tomorrow. Damn, bro. Son of a biatch. Somebody must have said something somewhere. Nice, Jarius. You already passed the account you got with the giveaway earlier. Hell yeah, let's go. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and do the 150K take profit trader evaluation. Earlier this morning, it's not going to be an easy one. Earlier this morning, I said that the government wouldn't let me do the pool over at my Keys house for a specific reason. The first person to answer this correctly will win a 150K TPT eval. What was the specific reason? It's not only the waterline. That's why you guys with the waterline comment, you haven't won, because it's not only the waterline. It's a specific reason. Yeah, seen earlier I said that they won't allow me to build the pool at my Keys house for a specific reason. Yes, the waterline is one of them, but that's just one of them. No, it's not. It's not just the water line, guys. There's a specific word that we're looking for here. I said it. Yeah, high water line, but it's not. That's just one reason. Remember, there's. Boom. Okay. Oh, it's not 1 foot setback, but you are using the proper term, but you're mixing it in. Damn, I just gave you guys the answer. Don't worry about the numbers. Don't worry about the numbers. I'm giving you guys the answer. Somebody has to say it. You keep throwing numbers. Don't worry. Nope. You keep adding things. That's setback water line is one reason. Water line. Okay, you gave all the reasons. There we go. That's what I was looking for. Calmer lot wins because it's just one reason. It's setback. Setback. The setback. Okay, calmer lot. So what are we giving you? Oh yeah, the TPT. Okay, so calmer. Well, corner lot. Sorry, my contacts are super damn bothersome today for some reason. Corner lot, email me info at damn it, man. Should have held on to that. Look at this thing go, bro. Are you kidding me? Talk about leaving a ton of money on the table, guys. Took a little bit over 10 points home with me, and look at how many points we've dropped. We dropped 80, 90 points from the entry. All right, next giveaway is going to be the trade day giveaway, guys. And for that one, it'll be left to the YouTube random comment picker, and we will do that in a little while. Watching this 3.0, let's say it's 320 zone, this zone right here, to see if it's going to be resistance. If this zone can start to be resistance, maybe we see, you know, a setup here for a leg down. You see what I told you about that support not holding up on the SPY? Guys, remember with Bookmap, you can also use my code JESSEW. Get a nice discount on that. I might have to wait around and look for another setup to see if I can make a few bucks more, man. Yeah, seen. I only stream Wednesdays at 9:15 a.m. Yes, we do giveaways on all the streams. And I do giveaways on my videos as well. I upload videos typically Mondays and Thursdays. This week's Thursday's video is pushed to Friday. So the best thing you could do is hit the notification bell on my channel. That way you can see the videos, attend the live streams, all the good stuff. All right, brother. Have a good work day. Nice little setup that we might form here. Maybe a little bear flag. Nice, Yasin. That's awesome. Yeah, maybe Anthony. Uh-oh, Andrew coming in here trying to scoop that bottom.
BMD sell 14. Trade and QU5 CME at BMD sell 46. Trade and QU5 CME at BMD sell 15. Trade and QU5 CME at BMD sell 15. Trade and QU5
Damn.
BMD sell 71. Trade and QU5 CME at BMD sell 19. Trade and QU5 CME
She
at
keeps
BMD
going.
sell 20. Trade and QU5 CME at BMD sell 19. Trade and QU5 CME at BMD sell 10. Trade and QU5 CME at BMD by 23. Trade and
She just
QU5
keeps
CME
on
at
going.
BMD by 16. Trade and QU5 CME at BMD sell 10. Trade and QU5 CME at BMD sell 12. Trade and QU5 CME at BMD by 10. Trade and QU5 CME at BMD by 10. Trade and QU5 CME at BMD by 19.
Nice, John. There you go.
Trade and QU5 CME at BMD sell 88.
All right, NQ bouncing off of its VWAP zone.
Sell 13.
If we get back into that 10, 20 zone, I might look for a short around there, to be honest. Damn, bro, this contact is driving me nuts. Thinking it just might be dry. Jarius might be right. I might need to put some of that contact solution right on the eyeball. We're approaching that resistance zone there. See how it acts. See if we could pull a few bucks more. Ah, damn it. Needed a couple more bucks. Not bad. Still teeter-tottering around. 478 bucks times 5 accounts on the day. Not bad.
Trade NQU5CME at BMD by 40. Trade NQU5CME at BMD by 10.
Okay, so I secure here $2,000 payout out of one account. Wait, what the hell? Oh, that's not the right account. Whoopsie.
Trade NQU5CME at BMD sell 12.
PA. So one account here, we got it. This account, we got it. Second account.
Trade NQU5CME at BMD.
This one needs a little more.
Trade NQU5CME at BMD by 10.
This one has it. Okay, so I got two accounts that I need to hit up.
Trade NQU5CME at BMD sell 11.
Oh, what the hell am I doing? Okay, so those two need. All right, so we need like 20 bucks. Let's do it. Famous last words, right, guys? Will 20 bucks secure $10,000 payout? Or will 20 bucks screw me on these two accounts and make me work for another week? We're about to find out. Comer, okay, give me 1 second, Corner. Let me see if I got your email. What's the subject line that you put on your email? Traders, then I would do the micro normally, but Apex might be like, oh, you switched your trading size too much or some crap like that. And so, yeah, not going to do that. Not going to risk it that way. We're just going to try to scalp a couple points. No, don't screw me. Damn it, bro. It's going to make me go to, it's going to make me work for 100 or 200 bucks tomorrow. Oh, we got it. Boom. We got it. Let's freaking go. Let's go. Put it in for a $10,000 payout tonight out of Apex. Took me 18 days to get it. We win in chat. Thank you, thank you. Appreciate it. Little by little, man. 17 days, 10,000 bucks. Well, 18 days counting today. 18 days, 10,000 bucks. I mean, come on.
Trade and QU5CME at BMD sell 10.
5 accounts. Just booking a few $100 here and there. Wow, look at that drop. Let me check in real quick on how Tesla's doing because I'm still in that Tesla swing trade put option. All right. If we can get down to 290 today, I think we could be in a good position for a gap down. Damn right, Gleet. Aeromag, what's up, man? Thank you. You know it, Jarius. All right, guys. Now that my trading is done, I can focus up on our next giveaway. So for the next giveaway, we're going to do a trade day giveaway, 50K end of day account. Well, let's see here. For the trade day giveaway, you must be in chat when the winner is chosen. If I call your name as the winner later and you're not here, you forfeit the prize. All right, make sure to like the stream, share on social media now as well, and go to that link in chat, leave a comment on that old stream. We will choose a winner in a little while. Let's see, what time is it? 10:50? At 11 a.m. we will be choosing the winner. Made money today. How much money did I make? $520 times 5 accounts, leaving me a balance of over $4,100 in profit in each account over the course of 18 days, which will allow me to put in for a payout request today of $2,000 a piece for a total of $10,000 I will take that. Super happy. Probably will use it to remodel the deck over there in the Keys house, to be honest. So it took us 18 days, right? Today is the 9th of July. I didn't trade it every single day. There were days that I didn't trade, obviously. So let's see here. Nice.
Trade NQU5CME at BMD by 12. Trade NQU5CME.
All right, so here are my stats. You can see I lost in this account $3,865. So that's how many losing trades total I did. I made 8,215 for a total gross profit of 4,350 bucks. All right. Average trade time 1 minute 23 seconds. I have just been scalping like a madman here. 100 bucks, 200 bucks, done on the day, stuff like that. Longest trade time 8 minutes 5 seconds. My accuracy was 62.5%, not bad at all. I'm typically a 50 to 60% accurate trader. Total P&L 4,126 on this account. Let's see what else we got here. Our largest losing trade 455 bucks, largest winning trade 1,020. Average winning trade time 1 minute 33 seconds. Average losing trade time 1 minute 7 seconds. Longest winning trade time 8 minutes 5 seconds. Longest losing trade time 4 minutes 44 seconds, showing that I let go of those losers. Not bad. Here's a $1,000 trade. Where is it? I just saw it. Oh, lost it. Not too shabby, guys.
NQU5CME at BMD by 12.
Oh yeah, I see where well, not the top, but the side is cut off. All right, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to take a screenshot of this. That'll make it a little bit easier.
Trade NQU5CME at BMD cell 11.
All right, there you go. Now you can see it. 3,000 and change right here in losses, 8,000 and change in wins, 62.5% accuracy, 1 minute 7 seconds on losers, 1 minute 33 seconds on winners. Longest winner 8 minutes 5 seconds, longest loser 4 minutes 44 seconds. Not too bad. I'd say those are pretty damn good stats for 18 days of trading. Total profit net 4,126 times 5 accounts. Nice bear flag that we're forming here. Pretty good bounce area though. I mean, we've sold off a lot. We still got more downside available.
Trade NQU5CME at BMD by
But I'm not touching these accounts again. I'm done. I'm going to put in payouts for those tonight. I'm going to convert the rest of my accounts as well that I have at Apex. I have a total of over 20 past evals. So I'm going to convert them and start trading them as well. We got 5 more minutes, guys. 5 more minutes. Make sure that you leave a comment on that old live stream. Thanks, MCZ. Hey, Bobby. Yeah, man, $10,000 will put a smile on your face, right? I'm saying. What do you mean that's the wrong link? Impossible. What the hell? It's this link. How did I do that? Wait, did I give the wrong link out the gates? Damn it, I gave the wrong link the whole time? Bro, and nobody said anything until now? Guys, golly. You don't want to win? Hold on. How did I do that? Alright, here we go. You've been saying things? Whoopsie. Alright, let's redo it, guys. For a shot at a 50K trade day, end of day eval. Click here, comment, and be in chat. We will pick the winner in 10 minutes. All right, here you go, guys. Should work this time. We'll see why that happened. Okay, there we go. Now we got it right. All right, Corner, I got your email, brother. We're good. We're set up. Sorry, I was ultra focused on making that money because trading is still a big part of my income. That's actually why I don't stream every single day, because it's impossible to focus wholeheartedly on my trades and stream at the same time. And the big bulk of my income is still comes from my trading. I'll be the first to tell you, I want for the big humongous bulk of my income to come from my affiliate business, so that I could do more stuff with you guys on here and still trade, but not be ultra like tense looking at my trades, you know, because I got to be super about it, because that's, you know, it's freaking money that we need in order to live. So that would be, I won't be the bullshit affiliate that'll tell you, oh no, I'm a killer trader. I'll stream and do it all and make $100 billion in my trades. Nah, that 10K I just made there, well, hopefully I don't see why. There's no reason Apex should deny it. All the rules were followed perfectly. That 10K there is going to go straight into my keys house, because I gotta, even if I can't do the damn pool, I still gotta do some stuff back there on the dock. Gotta do some nice little upgrades.
Trade and QU5CME at BMD by 10. Trade and QU5CME at BMD by 18.
Yeah, I seen, that's awesome. Glad to hear it, brother. Oh, Bobby, you just finished the options course? Nice, bro. Nah, Bobby, come on, man. Why you do me like that? Oh, no. No, I know you're being sarcastic. Bobby's one of the good guys.
Trade NQU5CME at BMD sell 16.
Yo, Fungus TTV, what's up, man? Haven't seen you in a minute. Does trade they pay people with PayPal or Rise? TPT use PayPal? Just asking. Man, I don't know if they use PayPal. I think they do. I'm pretty damn sure, but not sure. I don't know, brother. I always just try to use Plaid and connect my bank account for the direct deposits, you know? Yeah, Bobby, of course, bro. Fungus TTV going to make the switch to trading full time. Let's go, bro. That's what's up, man. Oh, guys, remember tomorrow, 10 a.m., I will be on My Funded TV. Yeah, see, no. Sorry to hear that, bro. Damn. What country is that, man? Oh, South Africa. Yeah, I've heard a lot of props are restricted to South Africa. Damn, that sucks. What about Lucid, Yasin? They're newer, so maybe they aren't yet. Trying to find the link. Lucid also? Sheesh. Trade desk?
Trade NQU5CME at BMD
Here, maybe trade desk or Bulanox? Is Bulanox also banned over there? You're the man, Yasin. Yeah, you can use coupon code all caps. Remember, all caps. JESSEW at Tradeify. Sorry to hear that it blew, bro. Hopefully the next one you can nail it. Just take it slow.
Trade NQU5CME at BMD by 10.
Good stuff, Mario. Hope you had a good green day, brother. You know, one thing I can say to you guys about going full-time trading, before you do that, make sure that you have, it's like any business you start. Remember, when you start a new business, you typically don't get to pay yourself the first year out of your business. So you have to live off of savings, right? Try your best to save up a year's worth of expenses. Because if you find yourself in a month trading in order to make your next month mortgage payment, because if you don't make that profit that month, the next month you don't have that ability to make that payment, bro, you're not going to trade well. My suggestion for anybody wanting to start trading full time: first, prove that you're profitable. Second, have a year's worth of expenses in your savings account. Okay? So that you can utilize that as a salary that you will draw out from in order to cover your expenses. And if you don't mind, throw yourself a little side gig, bro, on the side. Sell stuff on eBay, garage sale hunt, go to thrift stores, get on gig apps to make a little side money. You don't have to do it every day, but you make a little side money on the side, store it, put it away. This way you can trade with peace of mind, because you might have a month where you don't do well. I didn't do a lot. I didn't do very well last month trading at all, like payout wise. I can't even remember how much I pulled out. That's how unnoticeable it was, but it wasn't anywhere near $10,000. You know what I mean? So you're gonna have months like that. I had months this year where I made really good. I made over $20,000 in payouts. You know, but then there's gonna be months where it's gonna be slower. You don't need that pressure. There you go, Mario. Mario's doing it right. If you can trade from a point of view where you don't need money from your trading that month, you're already ahead of the game, because you're going to be able to trade with peace of mind. But if you're trading and you're calculating, oh shit, I need another $4,000 so that next month I can pay all my bills and buy food, bro, you're cooked. Super cooked. Yeah, we're not even talking about that yet, John. Imagine when you start incorporating that. This year, I probably invested so far into the stock market over $20,000. It's not a whole lot by some people's standards, but I've also been enjoying some money. I ain't gonna lie.
Trade NQU5CME at BMD by 11. Trade NQU5CME at BMD by 16.
Yasin, my pleasure, brother. I just don't want to see, bro. The thing is that people out here be selling crazy dreams. And yeah, you could do really well. I'm doing better right now than I ever have in my entire life. But that, bro, it's taken years to get here. It's taken years to get here. And I've learned a lot along the way. So I don't mind putting that information out here for you guys. You know, and I see people often, everybody wants to go trade full time. Everybody wants to go trade. You can, bro. It can be done. But I'll tell you right now, the best way to do it is how I just described to you guys. You're going to trade so less stressful. It's amazing. You're just going to. And money management is absolutely essential. Like somebody asked me earlier today what I used to do for a living before. And I told you I've been self-employed for almost 20 years. So money management has been paramount to my success long term. And I thank God Almighty all the time, because somehow He instilled these skills in me to where I've learned to live under, beneath my means. So that when I go through dry periods, I'm not stressed out. I could literally sell one of my houses. I could sell my boat and probably fund over a year's worth of expense. Hell yeah. Probably fund 2 years worth of expenses. Or I could sell one of my properties and basically retire for a few years. You know what I mean? You got to set yourself up for success.
Trade NQU5CME at BMD Cell 10.
Damn, Mario, you sound like me. Nice, Joao. Joao. Good stuff, Faith. Jerry says, work asked me, what have you done to prepare for leaving your 9 to 5? I said, I applied for more overdraft protection. Love it. Love it. Did they actually ask you that when you quit? Was that a real question? That sounds so intrusive. MCC, yeah, I totally agree with Jesse. Thank you for always giving such good advice. No, bro, for sure, for sure. I got you. Nice spelling. Is that for me? Did I pronounce your name right? Joao? So sure, how much did I make today? Let's go see. It was I think it was 400 something. 500? I don't know. Let's go check. I'll even take a little screenshot. Oh, I don't even have to take a screenshot, but I will because I got to post it later anyways. So I'll just take the screenshot now.
Trade NQU5CME at BMD Cell 17.
So, where's my screen at? Guys, we're going to do the giveaway now. 520 bucks times 5 accounts. That gives me a P&L on the accounts of over $4,000, which will allow me to put in a $2,000 payout request today at Apex for a $10,000 payout. Took me 18 days to get it, you know, to get to that point with that balance. Trading small, taking my scalps, putting profit in my pocket, you know, not letting things get out of hand. Oh, they knew it was coming. Years in the works. Nice. Less is more, Mario. Thank you, Joel. You know it, Tusher. It's what we do. All right, time for the comment picker winner. Let's get ready to get to work on this. I still got to film Friday's video. Remember, guys, this week, Thursday's video is actually going to be out on Friday. All right. Where are we? We're right here. Let's make this screen proper size. All right, so this is where it was at. Where are the comments? All right, let's just refresh the page. Okay, here we go. Here are the comments. Boom, 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 boom. So there are the comments. We will copy, go to random comment picker. Where the hell's the thing? I might have to make this bigger, bro.
Trade NQU5CME at BMD by 20.
All right, so we go. We paste right here. Filter duplicate users. Math is hard. Get those YouTube comments. Click start. Let's see who the winner is. There was like 3 old comments there. If they get chosen, then that won't be the winner. No. What is that? That's like an ad that somebody posted as a comment. That can't win. Get out of here. Pick another winner. All right. Aris wrote, hello, Jesse. And that is the winner. So, Aris, are you here?
Trade NQU5CME at BMD.
Damn, that bear flag is working out on NQ right now. Aris, we don't got all day, so I'm going to give you like a minute. I'm even going to at you. Aris. Oh, you're not in here, are you? Come on, bro. How are you going to participate and then leave? Making my life harder.
BMD cell 14.
10 seconds, Iris. 10, 9,
Trade NQU5CME
8,
at BMD by
7,
21.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. New winner. Fizzlid, I love you too. Are you here? Because if you are, you win. Nice little bounce there off of 920. If you get through 40, you should go see 45.50. That would be your next level.
BMD cell 20.
Fizzlid in the house, claiming his prize. Damn, Aris, bro. How are you not going to be subscribed? See what happens, guys, when you don't subscribe to my channel? That's a testament right there. How are you not going to be subscribed to freaking Trading with Jesse W? Come on, bro. Next time. All right, Fizzlid, you won. What did you win? Oh, yeah, you won the trade day. Okay, Fizzlid. Email me here right now. info@thedaytraderchatroom.com. Ditto MCZ. I love you guys. Fizzlet, send me an email there. I'm going to give you a couple of minutes so we can confirm that. Freaking A, I'm starving. My wife should have just brought me breakfast while I was streaming. You guys can't even see my face today, so it wouldn't have mattered. No, Corner, I have your email there. I take care of all those after the stream, bro. Also, Corner, the email that you emailed me from, is that the same email address you use with Take Profit Trader? Because I need that one, so they can transfer the account over to you. Yeah, I've seen. Yeah, absolutely, brother. Locked in 500 and something bucks times 5 accounts, which locked me into that $10,000 payout that I'll put in tonight. So I am done. The internet was sabotaging you, Mario.
Trade NQU5CME at BMD sell 12.
Oh yeah, it's my left contact that's bothering me the most, and that's why I'm seeing a little blurry. Whack. Jarius, what do I do, bro? How do I fix this?
Trade NQU5CME at BMD by
Jarius is my new eye doctor.
NQU5CME at BMD by 10.
Guys, what a stream, huh? The stream was like a fever dream, I swear to you. It started off with me bitching about the government not letting me build my pool in my Keys house. Went on to talk about how my camera is not here yet because I left my camera at the Keys house and I'm back at the other house. We made money. We did giveaways. Jarius was my eye doctor for about a quarter of the stream, giving me lessons on how to do contacts because now I have contacts, never had them before. And now we just full circled it right back to the pool and Jarius telling me what to do about my damn blurry left eye right now. Internet Explorer, I like how you think. Fizzlid, email sent. All right, I'm gonna go check right now. MCZ, I am definitely about to do that here as soon as I secure Fizzlid's email. Keep using that solution, and if it's still bothering you, then switch your brand. Bro, so the brands matter, bro. I'm so doing the LASIK surgery later this year then. Just laser my eyeball. All right, Fizzlid, I got an email here. What is what is the subject line on that email? Later, Sean.
Trade NQU5CME at BMD sell 16.
Perfect. All right, so
BMD sell 17.
oh, okay, Corner, did you just send me another email with your Take Profit Trader email address? If you did, tell me the subject line of this new email you just sent. Brand and type matters. Friggin' A. So I got the bi-weekly contacts. Acu something, I want to say. Okay, Corner, so I'm going to delete your old email. I got you squared away. Fizzlid, I already have... No. I already have your giveaway. So give me 1 second. I'm going to send it to you right now, brother. Okay, Fizzlid, I just sent you the email right now. See if you got it. It has the code that you're going to use and then the link, okay? That's for your trade day. Corner, for yours, what'll happen is trade day will transfer 150K eval probably later today or tomorrow to you. I'll reply to your email and let you know when it's done. All right. I don't know, Fizzlid. You got to use the code I gave you. That'll give you the account for free. I don't know if they're going to hit you with an activation at the time of, you know, converting if you pass. I really don't know, brother. They didn't give me that information. I didn't think to ask either. For a Corner with the TPT eval, yeah, for that one you'll have an activation fee. So the eval is free, and then they'll hit you with an activation fee more than likely. You might get lucky, who knows. You too, Bobby. Yeah, my wife was telling me I gotta go check on our chickens as well. I checked on them yesterday. They're fine. Mario, yep. That's it, AccuView. Oh, thanks, brother. All right, gang. Next week, Wednesday, no stream because I will be in the freaking Caribbean sailing around with not even a laptop in hand because I'm not taking my laptop. I'm going to have my phone. I have the internet plan. There's no trading that'll be done that week. I want nothing to do basically with the internet for 8 days. All I'm going to do is hit the sun, hit the pools, the beach, food. Did I say food already? The casino, some shows, and just enjoy time with my family. Completely away from the internet for the most part, because I'm only taking the phone for 8 days. I can't freaking wait. I already have massages scheduled for me and my wife on the cruise. That's already scheduled. My mom and my mother-in-law don't even know, but they have a wine tasting I scheduled for them. My sister and my wife, they don't even know, but they have a sushi thing I scheduled for them. The kids, my niece's nephew, my kid, they already have a few $100 in casino points. Sorry, casino. Whoops. What's that shit called? Arcade that I already set up for all of them. So everybody's taken care of. The guys, I don't know. They're just going to lounge probably like me, so I didn't schedule anything for them. But everybody's pretty set up, and I'm looking forward to chilling, bro. Chilling. Yeah, Yasin, get back to work, brother. We're done. I'm going to close the stream off here in the next 2 minutes, 3 minutes. That's it for today. Fizzly, you got the code? Enjoy, brother. Pass that eval and get some payouts. T. Cooper, bro, I don't even remember. We're hitting Royal Caribbean, Bahamian Island, and then we're going to Curacao, Aruba, and I think DR. Nice, Bobby. Thanks, Corner. Yeah, Mario, I definitely hit in the casino. I'm putting a budget this year. Maybe 1,000, 2,000 max. Like, I use that money to go to the casino. Like, if it was fireworks, meaning it's just going to light it on fire. You know, if I lose the money, it doesn't matter. Because the point is, it's just to entertain myself and have some laughs with my family. That's it. If I make money, great. But other than that, it doesn't matter. Guardian, we're hitting up a Bahamian island from Royal Caribbean. I guess it's one of their private islands. And then we're hitting Curacao, Aruba, and Dominican Republic. MCZ, I'll probably be sharing stuff as the trip progresses. And I gotta find my selfie camera little vlog camera so I can vlog. I vlogged my last one. Have you guys seen it? I vlogged last year's cruise. Here, hold on. I'm gonna get you the link real quick. I'm really surprised how that video didn't do better. I'm sure this year's video will do way better. If I do it, I'm undecided. I probably will vlog it. You know what? I'm actually going to watch it later to see if that camera, if maybe I just need to upgrade that camera. You guys are going to love the start of the video. I'm sure of that. Leave me a comment on the video if you watch it. Here it is. So this is 2024 vacation with a day trader. If you watch it, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know what your favorite part of the video was. Yeah, Mario, I'll be there. It'll be my second time in DR. Later, Bobby. Nice, Andrew. Thanks for the support, brother. Damn, that's not looking bad for a setup to the for a short. I'd want to see more of a bounce. All right, gang. I am hungry. I'm gonna get out of here. Thank you guys very much for tuning in. Tomorrow, I'm going to be on My Funded TV at 10 a.m. Next week, there is no stream, but you will have videos next week, Monday, and you will have videos next week, Thursday. I will be on the cruise, but those videos will be uploaded later this week for you for next week, so you won't skip a beat. And let me go look at my calendar real quick before I say my goodbye. So tomorrow we got My Funded TV at 10 a.m. Make sure to swing by and say hi. Next week, you'll have 2 videos. The following week on the 23rd, I don't know whether or not I'll be live. It's possible, because I will be heading back to the Keys house that day specifically. So I'm undecided. We'll see. We shall see. I'll try. Maybe we'll do it. Maybe we'll do like just a 1-hour stream versus a 2-hour stream. That's what we might do. 9:30 to 10:30 next week, Wednesday. Well, not next week, the following week. All right, cool beans. That's what we'll do. All right, fam. Stay green. Keep it green. I'll see you guys tomorrow on My Funded TV. I should have my camera by then. Thank you very much for tuning in and smashing that like button. See you guys soon.